Welcome to Illinois, a state in the heart of America's Midwest. A land woven from a rich tapestry of natural wonders. From the boundless expanse of its prairies to the tranquil depths of its forests, Illinois invites you to discover its hidden treasures. Join us now as we journey through this diverse landscape, exploring the ecosystems that make Illinois a haven for nature enthusiasts. Our journey begins amidst the swaying grasses of the Illinois prairie, a vast ocean of green that once stretched as far as the eye could see. Though much of the prairie has been transformed by human hands, pockets of this once dominant ecosystem still remain. Look closely and you'll see that the prairie is far from barren. Wildflowers, like bursts of color scattered across a canvas, paint the landscape in vibrant hues. Coneflowers and black-eyed Susan stand tall amidst the grasses, providing nectar for buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies. The grasses themselves, some reaching heights taller than a human, offer shelter and sustenance to a myriad of creatures. Small mammals, like the quick-footed field mouse and the burrowing 13-lined ground squirrel, make their homes among the roots and grasses. As the sun begins its slow descent, casting long shadows across the prairie, keep your eyes peeled for the flash of wings. Migrating birds, drawn by the promise of food and rest, find refuge in these remaining pockets of grassland. Though the bison may be gone, their legacy lives on in the spirit of the prairie. Leaving the open expanse of the prairie, we venture now into the embrace of Illinois' forests, where sunlight filters through a canopy of leaves. Towering trees, their trunks thick with age, stand sentinel over the forest floor. Oaks, their branches reaching towards the sky, have witnessed the changing seasons for generations. Hickories, their bark rough and textured, stand tall and proud, their nuts a vital food source for woodland creatures. Maples, their leaves transforming into a riot of color with the coming of autumn, add their own unique beauty to the tapestry of the forest. The air hums with the sound of life. Insects buzz amongst the undergrowth, their constant activity a vital part of the forest ecosystem. Deeper into the forest, where the air hangs heavy with moisture, we find ourselves in the realm of the Cache River wetlands. Here, cypress trees rise from the water, their roots submerged in the murky depths, the Cache River. Wetlands are a haven for biodiversity, a watery world teeming with life in its many forms. This is a place of both beauty and mystery, where life finds a way to thrive in the most unexpected of places. Our journey through Illinois' natural wonders takes us now to the lifeblood of the state, its intricate network of rivers and waterways. These waterways have shaped the land and the lives of those who inhabit it for centuries. These liquid highways, flowing through the heart of the land, connect diverse ecosystems and provide a vital lifeline to countless species. They are the veins through which the state's natural vitality pulses. To the west, the mighty Mississippi River carves its way through the landscape, its muddy waters a testament to its journey from the northern forests to the Gulf of Mexico. This river has been a crucial artery for commerce and culture throughout history. On the southern border, the Wabash and Ohio rivers add their own unique character to Illinois' watery landscape. These rivers have their own stories to tell, each contributing to the state's rich tapestry. These rivers, winding their way through forested hills and fertile bottomlands, provide vital habitat for a wealth of aquatic life. Their meandering paths create diverse environments that support a variety of species. Fish, from the mighty catfish to the shimmering bass, patrol the depths while turtles and snakes bask on sun-drenched logs. These creatures depend on the health of the rivers for their survival. But it is not just the rivers themselves that teem with life. Their banks and floodplains are equally important. These areas are bustling with activity, providing shelter and food for many species. Willows dip their branches into the flowing water while cottonwoods stand tall on the banks. These trees play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the river ecosystems. These riparian zones, the areas where land and water meet, are essential for a wide variety of wildlife. They act as natural buffers, protecting the waterways from pollution and erosion. And let us not forget the Great Lake that graces Illinois' northeastern border, Lake Michigan. This vast body of water is not only a source of beauty, but also a critical resource for the region. As we journey through Illinois' diverse ecosystems, keep your eyes peeled and your ears open, for you never know what creatures you might encounter. The state is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each corner offering a unique glimpse into the lives of its inhabitants. From the depths of the forest to the open skies above, Illinois is home to a remarkable array of wildlife. The landscapes here are as varied as the species that inhabit them, creating a rich tapestry of life that is both fascinating and beautiful. In the early morning mist, as the sun begins to filter through the trees, keep a lookout for white-tailed deer, their graceful forms moving silently through the undergrowth. These gentle creatures are a symbol of the forest's serenity and a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Listen closely and you might hear the rustling of leaves that betrays the presence of a red fox, its bushy tail a fiery flash of color against the green backdrop of the forest. These cunning predators are masters of stealth, often seen darting through the shadows. As you venture closer to water, keep your eyes peeled for signs of beavers, those industrious architects of the animal kingdom. Their presence is often marked by the sound of water trickling through their expertly constructed dams. Their dams, intricate structures built from mud and branches, can transform the landscape, creating wetlands that provide habitat for a wide variety of species. These wetlands become bustling hubs of activity, supporting everything from amphibians to birds. But it is not just the mammals that make Illinois their home. The skies above are alive with the sound of birdsong. Each bird species adds its own unique melody to the symphony of the forest. Cardinals, their brilliant red plumage a splash of color against the winter snow, serenade their mates from treetops. Their songs are a cheerful reminder of the vibrancy of life, even in the coldest months. Blue jays, their calls a harsh but familiar sound, flash their bright blue feathers as they flit through the branches. These intelligent birds are known for their complex social behaviors and striking appearance. And then there are the raptors, those majestic birds of prey that rule the skies with their keen eyesight and powerful talons. They are the undisputed kings of the aerial realm, embodying the wild spirit of Illinois. For those seeking adventure and a chance to connect with nature, Illinois offers a wealth of opportunities in its numerous state parks and nature reserves. From the rolling hills to the dense forests, there's something for everyone to enjoy. These protected areas, scattered across the state, provide a glimpse into the natural beauty that makes Illinois so special. Each park and reserve has its own unique charm and character, offering diverse landscapes and ecosystems. One such place is Starved Rock State Park, a haven for hikers and nature lovers alike. Known for its stunning vistas and rich history, it's a must-visit destination. Here, towering sandstone canyons, carved by the erosive power of glaciers and time, rise dramatically from the banks of the Illinois River. The park's geological formations are a sight to behold. Waterfalls cascade over sheer cliffs, their roar a testament to the forces that shaped this dramatic landscape. The sound of the water crashing down is both powerful and soothing. Explore the network of trails that wind through the park, and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views and a chance to experience the raw beauty of nature firsthand. Each trail offers its own unique perspective of the park's natural wonders. For a more tranquil experience, head to Allerton Park and Retreat Center, a hidden gem tucked away in central Illinois. This park offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Here, formal gardens blend seamlessly with natural woodlands, creating a landscape that is both serene and inspiring. The carefully curated gardens are a testament to the beauty of human creativity in harmony with nature. If you're looking for an adventure on the water, head to Rock Island State Park, located on the mighty Mississippi River. This park offers a variety of water-based activities, from kayaking to fishing. These are just a few of the many state parks and nature reserves that await discovery in Illinois. Each visit promises new experiences and memories that will last a lifetime. Illinois, situated in the heart of the North American continent, experiences a continental climate characterized by distinct seasons. Spring arrives with a burst of life as trees unfurl their leaves, wildflowers carpet the ground, and the air fills with the songs of returning birds. Summer blankets the state in warmth, with long sun-drenched days that beckon people outdoors. The air hums with the sound of insects, and the smell of freshly cut grass fills the air as the days grow shorter and the nights grow cooler. Autumn arrives in a blaze of glory. The leaves of maple trees transform into a fiery tapestry of red, orange, and yellow. Winter descends upon the state, bringing with it a sense of peace and tranquility. Snow blankets the ground, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. Trees stand bare against the stark white backdrop, their branches etched against the sky. But Illinois' climate is not without its challenges, including severe weather like thunderstorms and tornadoes. As our journey through the natural wonders of Illinois comes to an end, we are left with a profound appreciation for the diversity and beauty of this often overlooked state. From the vast prairies to the tranquil forests, from the winding rivers to the shores of Lake Michigan, Illinois offers something for every nature enthusiast. We've witnessed the resilience of life in the face of change and the importance of preserving these natural treasures for generations to come. So, the next time you find yourself in the heartland of America, take some time to explore the natural wonders of Illinois. You might be surprised by what you discover.